Hello everybody. To be honest, I was just looking for an excuse to gist with you guys, but this is my Pamper Routine vlog. I saw some of your comments a while ago and I was just like, okay, let me try to address it in a video. First of all, why have the vlogs stopped? My sister, let me just be honest with you. The vlogs have stopped because, especially the homemaking vlogs, those ones that I always do, because people's criticisms, sis, I cannot tell you how bad it is for you to just feel like, oh, I want to post a little bit of my life, and then you are harvesting people's harsh opinions, judgments, criticisms on how you are living your life. Why did you make akara this way? Why didn't you make the akara this way? Why did you wear this clothes? I thought you were a married woman. A woman should be able to do all the duties in her home by herself. Imagine. As in, it's not everybody. I know for a fact that as a creator, it's not everybody that can 100% withstand all that. I have a very supportive husband, and the moment he feels like, oh, you are complaining about this part of your job, my husband's opinion on everything that brings me stress is quit. I'm telling you, we don't talk about how to manage it, we quit. You get, and that was why I was like, you know what, I'm just going to keep the vlogs aside for a while to focus on other things like entering my era of working with brands. I have never addressed it with you guys before, but the reason why I stopped selling the body oil and the lip kits is because production takes time. A lot of customers actually disrespected me towards that season when I was selling, as in people would buy on the website, not pay. I was constantly stressed out. I was losing weight. I was not glowing. I was not looking good at all. As in, it honestly just made me feel like, you know what, this business is not by force. I would make so much more working and collaborating with brands to bring you guys good products instead of trying to sell my own. And I decided, my husband and I both decided that when it's time for me to go back to the business, at the very least, I will know that I'm doing it on a full scale. I'm having my brand, people will work under me, people will help it to be easy. But for now, I'm really just asking you guys to support this era that I'm in, where I'm bringing you guys good products, reviewing good skincare items and things that will make your life easy and beautiful. And then lastly, balancing work and being a wife is not easy at all. I know on social media people make it look like it is good. Everybody is smiling and shining teeth from here to ear. Says, let me not lie to you. You have to cook minimum twice a day. If your husband works from home, sometimes 3 times. As in between that, I have to film every week, maintain our house, supervise cleaning, making sure everybody is okay, and then I now have myself to also take care of. That is the kind of life that married life is like. You get. So when you're now harvesting people's honest opinion, when you finally put your work out and people are judging you on top, you can imagine how harsh and how upsetting that will make anybody feel. And honestly, my creativity and my time and my life is more important to me than anybody's opinion of people who honestly don't even care about me or who don't know me. For example, now the number of people that will watch this vlog will be little compared to all my sit-down tutorial, in-depth tutorial videos. You get, because last people are actually just caring about what matters to them. Hardly will you find people who actually honestly care about you. If you do, honestly, I want to get to know you in the comment section. Whenever I'm making content, I know it is addressing people like you who 100% support my journey as a creator, the value that I bring to the table. Please introduce yourself in the comment section. I want to get to know you guys by your names. You get, I want to have a community of people who actually 100% support me and who I know I am also giving back to. Thank you so much guys for watching and listening to me. I appreciate it.